Hey, I'm ALBO, and I love JDM cars and culture. In each episode in this multi-channel crossover series, I'll go on car adventures around Japan with Captain Bradford from JDM Masters, along with our car club and fellow YouTubers Japonic, Samet, Dustin Williams, and others. Join us as we do car stuff, explore Japanese culture, and show you what it's really like in the land of the rising sun. This is our JDM life, and we are the Super JDM Bros.
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
Just one little walk around. This is definitely my favorite car here.
This one? Is
Yeah.
this the one like Bunta drove?
Exactly like the one Bunta drove. It's a beautiful GC8 Type R.
Yeah.
Look at that. Hey guys, so if you saw in the previous video, I was hanging out with Indra, who drives the GTR, and today he's actually going to be starting his own YouTube channel. So we're going to talk to him about it, and I'm just going to film this whole thing with my phone to show him how easy it is to get started. But first I'm hungry, let's find something to eat. So here we have our regular, oh shit, I dropped something.
I got it.
You have to buy it now.
I didn't drop it. This is you.
Okay, well, 2-second rule. Anyways,
Okay.
so over here we have our regular cup ramen, but today I'm going to go for this.
What's that?
So this is like rice in a bowl.
Ah, okay. It's like the porridge thing.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah,
It's kind of like in like Chinese culture, Hong Kong culture. What's it called? Congee.
Okay.
It's kind of like congee.
I'm gonna get the tuna mayonnaise.
Tuna mayonnaise,
So
the
good.
classic. All right. Look at this. They even have like really nice cheap sushi here.
How so cute is that? It's like so small.
tiny. There's like a mushroom on it. What the hell?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'd go for it, but what about this? Oh, Snoopy. That's cute. Dude, everything in Japan's super cute.
I'll buy it just for the Snoopy.
All right, so at the convenience store, you can just fill up your cup ramen with some hot water. So let me just open it up right here. And there we go. Okay, so you suddenly went all out. You didn't only get the onigiri, you also got some cream buns.
Yeah.
Nothing better than cream in a bun. Wait, what are you thinking?
Nothing. I'm good,
Same thing
I'm
I'm thinking. Perfect. What else you got here? This is, oh, that looks really like a donut. Literally a wiener
It's
donut.
literally a donut.
Yeah, a wiener donut.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's super unhealthy. That's why you're fat. Oh. Okay, I think his wheel bearings or something. I don't know.
His brakes are touching the rotors.
Uh-oh.
There's a pistons.
Yeah, he spent all his money on the NSX. No money for maintenance.
Drop that full loan.
10-year loan. Oh my god. Alright, so this is Indra's GTR. Quick introduction about the car. So okay, we'll do like a full video later on.
Yeah.
But maybe the quick introduction, like what is this car? How long have you had it, and like how much power does it make and stuff?
All right, let's do it. So this is my GDR. It's a 2008 model. It's the first generation of GDR. So yeah, I did a lot of modifications to it, mostly aero stuff. The engine is not being touched. It's basically stock, but the computer is a bit it's messed with. It's currently tuned to about 600 plus horsepower.
Holy crap! You can chip tune it to 600 horsepower.
Yeah, easy. You just
That's
gotta play
insane.
with- yeah, the computer's a bit.
And basically bolt-ons.
It's all stock. The internals are all stock.
What the heck?
Yeah. It's this computer, it's the ECU, and then there's a boost-up tune. So it's up to 1.4 bars.
Yeah.
It's about 600 plus.
You can get it to 600 horsepower, like with the stock internals, everything
Yes.
stock, like no, basically completely stock. That's insane.
Yeah. You can get it to 800, but I've been told that once you pass 700, your transmission can't keep up.
Yeah,
So it's gonna break.
that's insane.
Yeah. So just keep it at a bare minimum, or it's not gonna break, but it's fast enough so you can enjoy it.
And you'll hopefully see it in the future video, well, like the movie that we've been making. Oh man, I don't want to talk about it too much, but right now we can't release it for a variety of reasons. But this car basically featured prominently. Well, you're the star of that movie, basically. What am I talking about? You're literally the star of the movie.
Yeah.
This freaking guy. And yeah, okay, actually, you know what? I was gonna tell you why you should immediately follow his new YouTube channel. This video is basically like man, this is like a sponsored video. Damn it, what the hell? So this is the cup rice basically. I should let it heat up a bit more, but this is basically it. It's quite good. It's basically like soup with rice. Yeah, it's literally cup noodle base with rice. It's literally what it says. Cup noodle flavor. Starting his first vlog. What a noob with a little selfie stick. It's so cute. Let's do a walk around and see some cars that are here. Got some GTRs, a couple GTRs over there. RX-8 with the kind of... I'm not a big fan of that body kit. It looks kind of like Veilside-ish.
What, the RX-8?
Yeah.
I like it. It's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome.
And a couple 86s. There's just so many 86s here in Japan, huh?
I mean, it's pretty cheap.
Oh, I love this. I love this. This is what I'm here for. Over here, we got a couple GC8s. But now this is sick. Dude, that's perfect. Oh, wow. Yeah. Type R, GC8. This is like exactly what Bunta drives in Initial D. This is perfect. Just one little walk around. This is definitely my favorite car here.
This one? Is
Yeah.
this the one like Bunta drove?
Exactly like the one Bunta drove. It's a beautiful GC8 Type R.
Yeah.
Look at that. One little walk around. This is definitely my favorite car here.
This one? Is
Yeah.
this the one like Bunta drove?
Exactly like the one Bunta drove. It's a beautiful GC8 Type R.
Yeah.
Look at that. This is quite nice too. It has the white Regas, but I'm so freaking in love with this car.
I like this one. No, I like the white one.
Really?
Like the white body and the white wheels. It's pretty mad.
I just love World Rally Blue. As you know, I mean, I have a blue Subaru, right? Yeah.
Like a Forester.
Exactly. There's not a lot of cars here today. I mean, considering the fact that it's Thursday, it's actually pretty cool that there's...
What are they doing?
Yeah, what's going on over here? Maybe they're like renovating that one part over here. But, oh, there's an S2000 over there. Let's go check that out. And after that, I'll end the video. Oh, these guys are all leaving. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, the whole coloring and stuff is pretty nice. Ooh, bro.
Let's get a scrape.
You good? You
Nice.
good? Oh, okay.
What was that again? That's an FTO, I think?
That's an FTO.
Yeah, very cool.
Look at that wing.
That's right. That's exactly the wing that I'm getting.
Yeah.
Well, actually, it's slightly different. I think this is a 1600 Type 2 Voltex.
This is...
Or no, Type 1. Yeah, this is way too high.
No. You should definitely get it.
Not that high, man. Not that high. That's too much. That's too much.
Like the black lips, and then you get your side steps, and you got this high wing.
Yeah, definitely gonna get the side steps. But what else has he got?
It's like time attack car.
I really like the hood. Is that an ASM hood? Not quite sure. But the front is the same one Tomoya has. Ings bumper.
It's clean.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that. It's really
Looks good. Looks good.
Look,
How's it going? How's your first vlogging experience going?
it's going okay.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
going alright.
Incredibly awkward.
A bit. I'm talking to myself. But I like it. It's fun. It's fun.
And we got a lot of car girls. There's one really skinny one over there. You like the skinny ones, don't you?
I'm
Like
okay.
a little bit of meat,
Yeah. You don't want to have just a bone, and you gotta have some meat on it.
some cushion for the pushing.
I'm not going there.
Okay. So, like I was saying before we cut the video, we've just been watching Indra just walk around, try to vlog. It's like a baby trying to take his first steps. But man, hey, listen, honestly, the reason I've been pushing him to start a YouTube channel is because he has such an interesting journey. You can find out more about it on his channel. I'll link the first video in the description box. But honestly, this guy came to Japan like in motorsports, right? You learned Japanese when you came here.
Yep.
Now he speaks perfect Japanese, and now he drives a sick car, the GTR. So what I want to say is like, he is the perfect guy to follow if you're looking for inspiration on how to make your dreams happen, come to Japan, and I'm sure you're gonna talk all about that on your channel, right?
Yep, that's the plan.
Yeah, man. So yeah, let's just take a few B-roll shots of your car, maybe like start up or something, and then we'll get like some closing thoughts from you, and maybe some last like tiny bit of advice for people who are considering doing the same thing that you're doing. All right, bro, it's a lot of fun chilling with you tonight. Make sure to check out his channel at, what is it, actually?
The Indra channel.
The Indra channel.
The Indra channel.
All right. And what's your one piece of advice for people who are watching this video and they have the dream to someday come to Japan, maybe come here as a student or working and getting into motorsports? This is information for me too, actually.
I say just jump into it and then just try to work as hard as you can. But first, you gotta jump into the thing first, without thinking too much about it. So my suggestion: just come here first, and everything will just pan out.
That's really good advice. I think you're right. Just come here first, scratch whatever money you need to come here. Just get a feel for the place if you actually want to live here. Meet people, come to places like Daikoku, just talk to some people, and somehow or another you'll find your way. Everybody does. It's all about putting yourself out there and just making contacts, being confident, and you'll see that the world will kind of like help you out. So that's it for this video. Make sure to check out Indra's channel once again at the Indra channel. I'll link in the description box down below. And yeah, this video is sponsored by Indra, and he's gonna buy me a coffee or something. So I'll catch you guys.
Buy him a coffee.
Yes. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and take care. And